All right, now we're going to implement the stream extraction operator so we can read a value from an input stream and store it in a length object. So back to our header file. Now the extraction operator is very similar to the insertion operator. So I'm going to duplicate this line. Now we need to make a few changes. First, we need to change the return type to iStream, which is short for input stream. Now this class is defined in a separate file. So we go to top of the file and include iStream. Now back over here. Next, we need to change the name of the function. Then we need to change the parameter to input stream. And finally, we remove the constant keyword because as part of this operation, we're going to modify this length object. Okay. Now let's generate the definition for this function. In this function, first we're going to read a value from an input stream. So I'm going to declare an integer as a temporary storage for our value. Then we use the extraction operator to read a value from the stream. Next, we call length.setValue and pass this value. And finally, we return the stream object so we can chain the extraction operator multiple times. With this, we can go back to our main file and read a value from an input stream. But before we do that, let's add a label so we can see what we are providing. So we update our length object, and finally, let's print the length object using the stream insertion operator. So take a look. So here I'm going to enter 20 and we get 20 back.